Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. FN User is here. So today I have my unboxing of the new Samsung wireless headphone. Here, and this is the new product from FN User recently. I believe the new Samsung wireless headphone are anticipated by many friends. So there are some of the introductions and users guidance about it. Please follow me if you are interested in it. Okay, let's get started. Alright, just looking at the box. For a second, we do have some more details about the wireless headphones, and there are 4 key features to use. First, these do have 14.2 NMPA drivers that focus on the listening experience. They apply high-quality diaphragm and sound field. This 14.2 nm dynamic driver with composite fiber PU diaphragm, which has a wider sound field and low frequency experience, build high-spirited sound effect loudly, enjoy hi-fi superior sound quality. Second, they have a half-in-ear design for comfortable and stable wearing. We know that ergonomic half-in-ear design is natural seamless, fitting the contour of ears so that we could have a better wearing experience. There's also the one reset and instant pairing features. After first time pairing, just open the cover of charging base and instant pairing. Charging base has one key reset button. Gently press can delete all pairing records instantly. Once that reset, follow your heart more freely. Of course, Smart Touch Control is also one of its features. The headset is equipped with a touch panel, which is sensitive, lightly touched to achieve all operations. Also can activate those assistants have to solve more doubts. And there's nothing else on the box, so it's going to get this plastic lid off here. And open it. Okay, in the box we can see the menu, and the black box is charging cable, and our products headphones. Okay, firstly let's take a look at the menu, and it is a white booklet. You can see, and when you open it, you can see various information about user guides and products. And like this one is headset controlled. If you are interested in it, you can have a try. And any other information is also, if you are interested in, you can have a try. And next, I can see the box, black box, and let's open it. And we can see that there is a clean and pure white charging line. Its interface is of Type-C, and because most Android use Type-C data cables, even if the charging cable is missing, it can be replaced with an Android charging cable. And next, we can see that the whole charging box with headphones is small under the lens. And I have to say that it really doesn't have the feelings of cheap and light. Believe me, I really love it. And there is the Samsung logo on its front. Then we continue to open its cover and look inside. By the way, the feeling of open the cover is also very good. I like it. Okay, very bright. You can see it. Well, the above describes some information about headphones. The following should be our actual operation, which is also a step we all look forward to. That is, how to connect the headphones and mobile phones. Then the first step is open the cover of headphone. Then turn on the Bluetooth of the mobile phone. Wait a minute. And we can see that there is the Samsung BS386 connected. Hell. Okay, the connection is successful now. And I remember that the second Bluetooth connection only needs to open the cover. And let me try it. Oh, wait a minute. And let's open the cover. And okay, we can see that the connection is successful again. In the last step, we have successfully connected the headset to the mobile phone. Next, let's try putting on headphones and listening. Wait a minute. Okay.
There's nothing to do, so just lie and complain in bed at the hospital. Coming and going, asleep and awake, in bed at the hospital.
Okay, I know you can hear it on the screen, but I enjoyed ordering this just now. The sound quality of Samsung wireless headphone is really unusual. The stereo surround is like a superstar giving you a concert on the spot. In other words, its vocal effect is pretty outstanding. Okay, that's all for the unboxing of Samsung wireless headphones. Thank you all so much for watching our videos. If you have any other ideas, please feel free to join yours in the comment section below, as this is very important to us and we will appreciate. Of course, don't forget to subscribe to us at AnyUser. If you are also satisfied with this video, you can share it with your friends. And that's the end of today. I wish you all keep smiling, everything will be okay. Bye!